Hello students, this is Savita ma'am, your chemistry educator. Let us study electrovalent or ionic bond in NaCl, magnesium chloride, MgCl2 and calcium oxide. Now you will also learn the trick. These metals, electrovalent or ionic bond takes place between metals and non-metals. Between metals and non-metals. Always remember, when there is a metal and a non-metal, then you get electrovalent or ionic bond. Let us take Na. Sodium is having 11 atomic number and electronic configuration is 281. In here, let us take chlorine. Chlorine is having 17 atomic number and electronic configuration is 287. Now you know that all the elements will try to attain 8 electrons in the last shell. Now metals have the tendency to give electron. Metals have the tendency to give electrons. Their tendency is to give electron, and non-metals tendency is to take electron, to complete octet, to complete octet. Metals have the tendency to give electrons, while non-metals have the tendency to take electrons. So sodium is going to give this electron. Sodium will give away this electron, and this chlorine is going to take one electron. This will give one electron and this will take one electron. When this gives away one electron, it gives away negative charge and Na becomes Na plus. Initially it was atom, now it became ion. Now Cl, it took electron, it took one extra electron. Initially it was atom and now it became ion because it took extra electron. Initially it was 281 and now it is 28, that is 8 electrons in the last shell. Initially it was 287 and now it is 288 because it took one extra electron. Now Na plus ion and Cl minus ion, they will combine. They will come together and their charges will be cancelled. They cancel their charges. This charges will be cancelled and it forms NaCl. One is metal, the other is non-metal. And because these ions, Na plus and Cl minus, these are ions. Na plus and Cl minus are ions. This is ion. This is ion. This is formed due to gain of electron, and this is formed due to loss of electron. So electrons are involved. Metal is there, non-metal is there, and then formed by ions, and electrons are involved. So it is called electrovalent because electrons are involved, or ionic bond because it is formed by ions. Now let us take the next example. of magnesium chloride. Let us take magnesium chloride now. Second example we will take magnesium chloride. Now magnesium is having 12 atomic number. Electronic configuration is 282. Magnesium is going to give away these 2 electrons. So now chlorine is having 17 electrons, 287. So it is giving 2 electrons. This will take 1 electron. Now one more chlorine is required because it is giving 2 electrons. So one more chlorine is there and it also takes 1 electron. This chlorine turns into Cl minus. After taking 1 electron, chlorine turns into Cl minus. It forms Cl minus. This chlorine also takes 1 electron and it turns to Cl minus. This gave away 2 electrons and it becomes Mg2 plus. Now this Mg2 plus, this Cl minus, they all combine together. Mg2 plus, Cl minus and Cl minus, and it forms MgCl2. This one, if you add this, you will get 0. Mg2 plus was there, it combined with Cl minus and Cl minus, and it formed this 1 minus 1 minus. This is 2 minus 2 plus will give you 0. This is chlorine minus 1, this is 2 plus, this is 1 minus. It turned 1 minus because it has taken 1 electron. It gave 2 electrons. 1 is taken by this chlorine, 1 is taken by this chlorine, and it becomes MgCl2 without charge. Now let us see the third one, calcium oxide. Now calcium, atomic number of calcium is 20. Electronic configuration is 2882. It will give away this electron. This was atom. When it gives away 2 electron, it becomes Ca2 plus because it gave away 2 electrons. Now oxygen is having atomic number 8. It has electronic configuration 2,6. Now it takes 2 electron because it's non-metal. Its tendency is to take electron. It takes 2 electrons. When it takes 2 electron, it becomes O2 minus. Now this Ca2 plus and O2 minus, they come together, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled and forms calcium oxide. I hope you have understood. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.